Yo, what is going on, guys? Today me and Tommy over here, we are going to a car meet, street society car meet. We're gonna go see some cars, gonna see how cool they are and stuff, you know. We're gonna see how it goes. Guys, we've made it here. There's some nice cars already. I'll show you them. Guys, look at this car right here. Holy crap, it's low. Look at this. Guys, look at that. It's like up to my chest. Not even. Holy crap. So low. That's so sick. Guys, look at this custom Forester right here. Ah, oh, beautiful. Lowered, nice rims. That's about it. It's Tommy's car. That's right. Alrighty guys, that was my video. It was a very short video. I know a lot of people are gonna like that. A lot of people aren't. I don't know what they're gonna like. But anyway, let me know what you thought of the video. And I do have another video coming out soon this week. I don't know exactly when. It's just gonna come out. So stay tuned for that one. Also, click here for my last video. And then click down here somewhere to subscribe. Do that right now. Which one? Ooh, ooh, oh, oh.